Apple Inc.'s chief executive Tim Cook on Thursday said that the company achieved strong double digits growth to report record revenue in India for the June quarter. We also opened our first 2 retail stores during the quarter. And it's, of course, early going currently, but they're currently beating our expectations in terms of how they're doing. We continue to work on building out the channel and putting more investment in our direct-to-consumer offers, Cook said in a post-earnings call with investors. The company's quarterly revenue record comes amid a period of sustained growth in the country. Apple's primary revenue driver, the iPhone, has seen a steady increase in the number of units shipped in the past 3 years. Data sourced by Mint from market researcher International Data Corp. (IDC) India projects iPhone shipments to reach 9 million units during 2023, reflecting a 40% growth from the 6.5 million units shipped in the previous year. Apple shipped around 4.5 million iPhones in 2021 and 2.7 million in 2020. The decline in consumer sentiment globally has affected Apple's June quarter earnings, with the company reporting quarterly revenue fell 1% to $81.8 million. However, its earnings beat analysts' estimates, who had projected Apple to report $81.69 billion in June quarter revenue. iPhone revenue dropped 2% to $39.67 billion, while revenue from Mac and iPads fell 7% and 20%, respectively, to $6.84 billion and $5.79 billion. However, in the overall weak quarter, Apple's services vertical saw an 8% annual growth to $21.21 billion. The company counts its App Store revenue, subscriptions and the AppleCare warranty program under its services category. Luca Maestri, Chief Financial Officer of Apple, said that the company expects its iPhone sales and the services vertical to fare better. Analysts said that Apple's overall performance in India is not surprising, given how the shift in the market has happened. Apple shipments have continued to rise in India, driven by a strong range of deals pricing the iPhones at a better point than ever before. In last year's festive season, the iPhone 13 was made available at an effective price point of nearly 50,000 rupees, which is far lesser than the company's $1,000-80,000 rupees average selling price. This, coupled with a lack of compelling options at lesser price points and increasing affordability options for buyers, is clearly working in Apple's favor, said Navkender Singh, Associate Vice President at IDC India. Smartphone shipment data published by IDC India for the June quarter showed Apple to have captured the 7th rank among top smartphone brands in the country, with a 5.5% market share. Importantly, though, Apple's shipments in the quarter grew over 61% year-over-year. According to IDC India, as retailers prepared for the upcoming festive season sales, which are projected to be bleaker than all pre-pandemic periods. Apple's higher per-device margins help in this regard. Industry analysts said that while Samsung earns an average of 3,000 rupees per smartphone sold, Apple's margin is nearly 8 times higher, at around 25,000 rupees. This helps the company draw a far stronger return from the market than large volume players, and the rising ASP of smartphones in India is helping Apple even further, he added.